Welcome to today's financial news update from quantbyte.io. The soybean market has seen a moderate increase, with prices rising by 4 to 6.25 cents. The average cash bean price is now at $9.51 1/2, a gain of 6.25 cents. Soy meal futures have also increased, ranging from $1.90 to $2.80 higher. Additionally, there was an increase in deliveries against October meal contracts. Sugar prices declined in both New York and London markets. The March New York World Sugar contract fell by 1.80%, while the December London ICE white sugar contract decreased by 1.66%. Prices dropped to a 2-week low, continuing losses from the previous trading session. Cocoa prices have fallen sharply, with December ICE New York cocoa down 2.56%, minus 158, and London cocoa down 1.64%, minus 70. This marks the continuation of a 2-month sell-off, with both markets reaching new lows. New York cocoa's nearest futures price is at its lowest since April 2020, 19.5 months, while London cocoa's price hasn't been this low in nearly 20 months. Arabica and Robusta coffee prices are rising, with Arabica up 6.7% and Robusta up 84 points. This surge is attributed to dwindling stockpiles at the ICE due to reduced imports following the imposition of 50% tariffs on U.S.-Brazilian trade. WTI crude oil futures have risen by 1.68%, while November RBOB gasoline has increased by 0.99%. The upward trend in energy prices is driven by growing investor confidence in a robust economic outlook, which supports higher energy demand. U.S. stock markets post modest gains, with the S&P 500 rising 0.36%, the Dow Jones Industrials increasing 0.19%, and the Nasdaq 100 advancing 0.57%. The U.S. dollar index has reached a 1.75-month high, up by plus 0.22% due to political uncertainty in France and Japan weakening the euro and yen, allowing the dollar to strengthen further. Additionally, strong stock performance is also contributing to reduced liquidity demand for the dollar, capping its gains. Wheat prices have remained relatively stable, fluctuating within 0.5 cent of their unchanged level across major markets. The complex closed on a weaker note due to limited buying activity. Soft red wheat futures on the Chicago Board of Trade, CBT, declined by 5 to 6 cents in the front months. Soybean prices have rebounded, with futures trading 2 to 3 cents higher in morning trade. This follows a positive close on Tuesday, where nearbuys rose 2 to 4.25 cents. The cash bean price has also increased, up 4.25 cents at $9.44. Corn futures are rising, with potential gains of 1 to 2 cents. The national average cash corn price increased by 2.25 cents to $3.79 1/4 at the current market close. Additionally, December futures have averaged around $4.20 so far this month. Corn prices have stabilized and are slightly higher by around 1 to 1.5 cents. On the previous trading day, futures experienced a decline of up to 2 cents due to technical pressures. However, open interest data shows an increase of 16,797 contracts. Soybean prices saw a gain of 2.414 cents in the nearbuys, while the national average cash bean price rose by 4.25 cents to $9.44 1/4. Soy meal futures were mixed, with nearby October up a dime but other contracts down 20 cents. Insperity Inc.'s NSP quarterly dividend has been yielding above 5%, with an annualized payout of $2.04 per share, reaching a low price of $47.12 in trading. Alexandria Real Estate Equities Inc.'s quarterly dividend has an annual yield of over 7%. The stock's price reached a low point at $75, resulting in a high annualized dividend payout of $5.28 per share. Alliant Energy Corp's LNT quarterly dividend has pushed its annual yield above 3%. The company's quarterly payout, equivalent to $2.03 per share annually, is a key factor in this achievement. On the trading day in question, LN shares reached as low as $67.34. Stay informed with quantbyte.io for the latest financial news.